We have tweaked our dishwasher detergent again. Let's see how this suits you. In this container, we have 1.5 cups of super washing soda, not to be confused with baking soda, 1 cup of baking soda, 1/2 cup of table salt, and 1 cup of citric acid. For a normal load, I use 1 tablespoon. Also, if I have really greasy dishes, whoops, didn't know my thieves wasn't on, I spritz my dishes a little bit with my non-toxic Thieves household cleaner from Young Living. I want to say my wholesale price is about $22 for this 14-ounce bottle. I only need 1 cap full in 2 cups of filtered water to fill this up. And that bottle, I believe, yields approximately 40 capfuls. Did the math, and I can mix about 5 gallons worth of this cleaner out of this little bottle, because thank God with Young Livings you don't have to pay to ship your water, which is a huge savings. Plus these products are non-toxic. So I've spritzed the really greasy, nasty stuff with my Thieves household cleaner quickly before we start the dishwasher. Now it's important to note that I do have a little container, and ideally this would be in the very center of the dishwasher, but I'm doing what I can with what I have to work with. So this is plain white distilled vinegar, because I'm out of my essential oil infused cleaning vinegar that I make with purification. Now, in our area, in this appliance with our water, typical powdered detergent just does not do the trick. It doesn't matter what it's made out of. It just does not perform best for us. Take a good look. This is my Thieves household cleaner. I'm going to activate this. Just a couple of sprays. Okay, that's more like 4 sprays, isn't it? I'm going to grab a spoon from the dishwasher and kind of mix that up. I know what you're thinking. I have never had an issue, ever had an issue with oversudsing in my dishwasher. I'm presenting this again as just a guideline to you. Love my Maytag dishwasher. That's it. Gets my dishes clean. Looks like I need to work on the front of the dishwasher, but that's it. I hope this helps.